What's up, guys? Joey here. Today we have the CS series that I've had for about 5 months now. No, 8 months now, actually. Yeah, it's almost been a year. 4 more months to go until this thing's officially a year old. I saved this thing from the house today. It works, and we're gonna demonstrate it. It's probably wobbly. It's pretty wobbly from the condition it was in. The blades have suffered some damage. So yeah, here's low speed. Don't mind my phone's talking in the back. I don't know if you can hear him or not. It might just be me. But like I'm on a Google Meet with Eli and Jackson right now, so yeah. So it's low speed. Yes, it is pretty wobbly. Here's medium speed. This thing does have some shaking issues. It's on a J hook though. Uh, then we got high speed. Thing's pretty. Thing has a decent speed. But yeah, that's about it. Yes, I got a new wiring cord because the old one exploded. Exploded while I was wiring up the Oka Cook one time. I demonstrated it though on my second channel. Go check that out. Someone's screaming. Something's going on. There's a pool over there. They're probably playing around. Oh wait. A little bit of messed up bearings as you can tell. But yeah. That's it, guys. See ya. Chicken store, chicken store.